Unpopular opinion. You do not need to learn how to code, build a following, or spend thousands on a course to make money online. You just need the right tool and a clear idea of what problem you are solving for someone else. Let me walk you through exactly how beginners are doing this right now. Making money online used to feel like something reserved for people with technical backgrounds, large audiences, or a lot of startup capital. That is no longer the case. The tools available today are simple enough that someone with no prior experience can pick one up, learn the basics in a few days, and start offering something of value to real paying customers. This is not about going viral. This is not about building a personal brand over years. This is about identifying a gap, using a simple tool to fill it, and getting paid for the result. The first thing to understand is what these simple tools actually are. We are talking about software and platforms that handle the technical side of a task so that the person using them can focus entirely on the output. Graphic design tools let you create professional-looking visuals without any design training. Video editing platforms let you cut and produce clean content without touching complex software. Document automation tools let you generate formatted reports, resumes, proposals, and presentations in minutes. AI writing tools let you produce drafts, outlines, and copy faster than any traditional writer could. None of these require a degree. None of them require months of practice before you can produce something worth selling. Most of them have free tiers that let you start without spending a single dollar. Now let us talk about what you actually sell when you use these tools. The product is not the tool itself. The product is the result the tool helps you create. A small business owner does not want to learn a design platform. They want a logo, a flyer, or a set of social media graphics that make their business look professional. A job seeker does not want to figure out resume formatting. They want a clean, well-structured document that gets them noticed. A content creator does not want to spend 4 hours editing a video. They want a polished final cut ready to upload. You are the person who sits between the tool and the result, and that position has real value because most people would rather pay someone else to do the work than spend the time figuring it out themselves. The next part of this is where you find your first customers. You do not need a website. You do not need a business registration. You do not need a portfolio with 50 projects before anyone takes you seriously. Your first customers are almost always in your immediate network or on a single platform where buyers and sellers of small services already meet. Freelance marketplaces connect people who need quick tasks done with people who can do them. Local Facebook groups, community pages, and small business forums are full of people asking for exactly the kind of help that a simple tool in the right hands can provide. One completed job becomes your first proof of work. That proof of work becomes the foundation of every pitch you make after it. Let us be specific about the numbers because that is what makes this real. A basic logo package using a design tool sells for anywhere between $15 and $100, depending on your market and your presentation. A short-form video edit for a small business or content creator goes for $20 to $80 per video. A resume or cover letter service using a document tool brings in $10 to $50 per client. A set of social media post templates for a local brand can sell for $30 to $150 as a one-time package. These are not life-changing numbers on their own, but they are also not numbers that require years of experience or a large operation to reach. 5 to 10 clients a month in any one of these categories creates a real supplementary income stream. And for many beginners, that is exactly the starting point they need. What makes this model particularly strong for beginners is that you are not locked into one skill or one tool forever. You start with what you can learn quickly, you build confidence through completed work, and you expand from there. Someone who starts by offering simple graphic work often moves into full brand packages. Someone who starts with resume writing ends up offering career coaching and LinkedIn profile optimization. The simple tool is the entry point, not the ceiling. The more you use it, the faster you get, and the faster you get, the more clients you can take on without adding more hours to your day. The realistic picture of who can do this is broader than most people assume. If you have a laptop or a decent smartphone, a stable internet connection, and a few hours a week to dedicate to learning and working, you have everything you need to start. Age does not matter. Location does not matter as much as it used to because most of this work is delivered digitally. A student, a stay-at-home parent, someone between jobs, or someone working full-time who wants to build an additional income stream can all operate in this space without any of those circumstances being a barrier. Here is what it all comes down to. The internet does not reward the most talented person. It rewards the person who shows up consistently, delivers what they promised, and makes it easy for someone to say yes to working with them. Simple tools lower the skill barrier enough that almost anyone can deliver a decent result quickly. What separates the people making money from the people still thinking about it is not talent, not experience, and not connections. It is the decision to start with what is available right now and figure out the rest along the way. The tools are simple. The demand is real. The only complicated part is convincing yourself that you do not need to be more ready than you already are.